Are you ready to take your career to the next level? This October 9th, October 16th, October 23rd, 2025, the Westchester Mid-Hudson Regional Career Fair is coming to the Westchester County Center, White Plains, New York. From 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., meet face-to-face with top employers and explore incredible opportunities to shape your future. Get your resumes polished and dress professionally because this is your chance to stand out. At the fair, you'll experience more than just networking. Professional resume reviews to give you that extra edge. Virtual reality career exploration to discover industries in an exciting new way. And a computer resource area to support your job search on the spot. Parking will be available, so all you need to bring is your ambition. Don't wait. Pre-register now to secure your spot and maximize your opportunities. Scan the QR code on screen to visit the official New York.